Bu oturumumuzun başlığı lehimlemenin geleceğine bağlanan olacak. Bu sunumu bize Weller Global Ürün Müdürü Sayın Marcel Teller yapacaklar. Buyurunuz efendim. Stage is yours.
Good morning, everybody, also from my side, and welcome to the event. I first wanted to thank Yıldırım for the invitation that we can make a speak here as Weller. My name is Marcel Teller. I'm Senior Global Product Manager for Weller Professional, and I will guide you today through the next generation of hand soldering, and we heard it earlier from Philip, topics like Industry 4.0. So what we will see today is the next generation of hand soldering from Weller. We will speak about a new platform we integrate. We have the main topics and trends in the industry, which are connectivity, traceability, as well as the topics we heard earlier about cybersecurity, control and remote management for supervisors and line managers, giving an idea of all-in-one hand soldering, what would that mean for the production line and how can companies save money on hand soldering stations, and also about smart soldering innovations, which we just invented and which we are just launching to market right now. So first I wanted to give some more comments on the market trends. We heard it earlier, the market is really facing in a direction of Industry 4.0, smart factory, and everything is getting more and more connected. It started with the robotics and the automation, and now it's coming also to the hand soldering finally. So we will speak today about what can we do in terms of connectivity, traceability, and cybersecurity. Also, the components in the field for hand soldering are getting smaller. Smaller components are really driving rework challenges or soldering challenges. So we try also to consider that in the next generation of hand soldering. As we heard earlier, we need more and more data. So the reason for that is how can we integrate more sensors in tools to capture more data at the end of the day to improve the production process and to improve the product or process quality at the end of the day. Rework and repair is also getting highly increased in terms of replacement. We will soon also face a lot of new European rules and directions in terms of repairing things instead of scrapping it. And also sustainability is one of the topics, like make the station available to get it reworked and not just replace the complete station. So what we did over the last 3 to 4 years in the market is visiting all end customers in all different industries, from medical device manufacturing to EMS, to also aerospace industry and car manufacturing. And we did make sure that we capture a lot of feedback from also you in the Turkish market. So I also visited a couple of customers together with Yıldırım and Berkay's team to find out what are your current challenges in the field, what are your pain points, and what would you need to have in the future to make your life easier. So we see here also a couple of examples how that workbenches in the factory are looking like and what we considered in the next generation. So what we did is really considering the market trends on one hand, the voice of customer from your side, the end customers, the supervisors, the quality engineers, engineering itself, the operators, the line managers. We put that all together, as well as our global engineering team, which has a lot of experience of over 30 years. Most of the engineers are here, so they have a lot of experience developing the product. So all of that together went to the next generation of hand soldering from our side. And we got a lot of questions we want to address today during that travels over the last 3-4 years. They asked for the next generation of hand soldering, can we add connectivity? Can we have Wi-Fi included? Can we have LAN included? Is traceability possible with that station? Do you have cybersecurity? How can you ensure if we implement that in the factory that we are on the safe side? MES integration is a question coming up. Remote control for hand soldering stations, would that be a possibility? Questions about auto calibration and precision in the accuracy of soldering. Can it be more ergonomic? Can we maybe use the tools we are using today for the new station? Is it backwards compatible? Can we have more power or higher flexibility? So these were a couple of questions coming up during the customer appointments, also in the Turkish market, and that is something we want to address today. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the future of hand soldering. So this is the first introduction of the WXSmart to end customers today in Turkey, and we are really pleased to do that here. And before we go into the details, we wanted to give you a couple of ideas about whether and what is our vision for the future of hand soldering, capturing all the feedback we got from you in the field, and also getting our innovative engineering together to that. So our vision is connecting the future of hand soldering and being prepared for the future of hand soldering with total process control. What we want to add as main attributes to everything which is existing as a basic in hand soldering already, we want to speak about connect, so connectivity, all the topics in there, traceability, cybersecurity, about being smart, adding more sensors, getting more innovative soldering tips and tools in the range, but also simplify the complete line. We want to speak about control, what is possible in terms of remote management, what kind of new features can we give to the line managers or the production supervisors to increase the process quality. And the last point is also safety features with the station in terms of cybersecurity, but also ESD protection or other things which we consider. So the positioning we want to get in the market is being the most connected and controllable soldering solution, that provides really the best process control and increase at the end of the day the quality.